Hey guys, it's Mimi here and welcome to Geek Lightful. Today I wanted to make a new ASMR video where I open this amazing box of Pikachu themed Re-Mints. Re-Mints are tiny miniatures that you can use with your dolls and make some doll photography with them, and they are super detailed and cute. I can't wait to open them and show them to you guys. And here are all the boxes that are inside this kit. I'm going to start with this box right here. What's in this one? Let's see. Look at all these adorable miniatures. So first we have these super cute Pokemon themed macaroons. So I have a Bulbasaur one, a Charmander one, and a little Squirtle one. And next we have the little cover for the box. And the box itself, I'm gonna put them in a little box. Like this. It looks so adorable. Next we have a little bag of coffee. Here we have a coffee pot with the little cover, just like this. And finally, this adorable Pikachu honey pot. So here is the first kit that I got. Here is the next box I'm going to open. Ooh, there seems to be a lot of things in here. So first we have the little menu with everything written on it. And here is kind of like a wooden Pikachu display that would go in front of the restaurant. Ooh, so here we have the cup. Here is the little drink going into the cup. This one looks so yummy, kind of Belgian waffles. And a very tiny piece of pineapple that should go right on the side of this drink. Just like this. And finally, a little straw and a flower to decorate the drink. So this is what the drink looks like. So here is everything that was in the second box. There's so many things in this one. So first we have this little wooden cutting board. Here we have a small mug and the coffee to go in it. I think this would go on top to keep everything warm, like this. And then there's this little piece of bread shaped as a Pikachu face. And finally this cooking pan. And an egg and some ham. In every box there is a little pamphlet. So here is everything that was in box number 3. And now for box number 4. First there's this gorgeous little plate. And next we have this curry. You can see that the Pikachu is made out of yellow rice. Here we have little carrots cut out as Pokeballs. And I guess these would be some potatoes cut out as Pikachu's tail. Here we have more drinks. Here's the base of this water vase. And this would be the water that goes inside the vase. And then you close it, just like this. So now you have your cucumber water inside the vase. Next we have this little napkin holder, and finally a tiny glass of water, the napkins, and a tiny spoon. So here is everything that was in this box. I'm going to pick this one. Let's see. So first we have this table that is shaped as a Pokeball. Now this is the base of the table. Oh, this is so adorable. So here you have the little cup for this amazing Pikachu sundae. And now we have this menu holder and a sundae spoon to eat the cute little sundae. So first we have this cute little menu with everything inside. It is so adorable. And then there is this little teacup with a plate, and you can actually take the tea and put it back into the mug. So this is everything that was in this amazing little box. Oh, I see a little piece of cake and a plate. Let's open this one. So first we have this little plate, and they even added the little detail of putting some kind of a chocolate syrup on it. So next we have a piece of cake and this adorable little oddish plant. More Pikachu cake with his little face on here, super cute. A kind of a little tartelette with a Pikachu butt in here. We have this little fork that is super detailed and a coffee cup that you can put a bit of coffee in it. Finally, these tiny little leaves that look like they are mint. So here's everything that was in the box. Here is box number 7. Oh, I think this one is my favorite. First we have these super tiny straw and fruit slice that are probably going to go on top of a drink. Here we have a tiny bowl. Let's put the mayonnaise here. And then the other one would be some ketchup. A little wooden platter. This super cute Pikachu burger. And here are the little ears made out of some kind of tortilla chips. And here is the drink. So here goes the little straw and the tiny slice of orange that goes right on the side. And they even made some tiny french fries shaped as Pikachu's tail. So I think this box is one of my favorites, and I love the fact that you can actually take off the little bun. It's so cute. Everything is so adorable. So now it's time for the last box in the set. Oh my goodness, can you see this adorable plate of a Pikachu sleeping? I think this would be the top waffle. Here is the drink that goes with this set, and once again you can make it like this, and then you just put on the bottom. Just like this. It's So here are more pancakes. Now we have a little pot for the syrup, a little fork and a knife. They even give you this tiny bit of syrup to put inside the pot, like this. And then you close it. So this is everything that was in the last box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a beautiful day and God bless you. Bye!